Hello everyone, welcome to day 35 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet a interlaced ribbing using the front post and back post double crochet stitches. So now I have a foundation stitch. I've made a foundation double crochet. If you're starting off with the foundation chain, make sure to add 3 turning chains to your work so that you have even number of foundation double crochets, sorry. So now this chain 3, it counts as the first double crochet. I'm taking this as the front post. Now you have to, just like the normal ribbing, you just have to alternate the front post and back post double crochet stitches till the end of the row. So we do have a couple of videos on the front post and back post double crochet and the vertical ribbing as well. Do check it out if this is the first video that you're seeing. Okay, I'm just making front post and back post double crochets, alternating it till the end of the row. Again, this can be used as a stitch by itself, or you can use it as an edging technique for any of your projects. Okay, now this is done. For the next row, you're gonna again chain 3, turn your work, and now if I have a front post here, I'm going to make it into a back post. And if there is a back post, I'm going to make it into a front post. You just have to change this every row. Again, here there is a front post stitch, so I'm going to make it into a back post. There's a back post here. I'm making it into a front post. Again, this is a front post, you make it into a back post. Okay, so as you can see, it gives a nice interlaced pattern and it has a slight stitch to it. So again, if you're going for the next row, chain 3, turn your work. Again, this is a front post, you make it into a back post. And now here we have a back post, you make it into a front post. So just like this, you can continue to create this interlaced ribbing pattern. Do try this out, and if you have any doubts, do post it in the comment section. We'll be sure to attend to it, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.